It's number 5 on Girls Aloud Week.
Girls Aloud. A-L-O-U-D.
That's right. Not the other one.
They're not allowed. They are allowed.
Allowed. So this one's from Peter John. This one in the live stream and the civilian vote.
And the civilian vote. The civilians have spoken. And Girls Aloud Week 1 a couple weeks back.
All right.
And so it's time to go. Number 5. I think we've done one Girls Aloud video.
I agree. Ish?
Yes.
There are a lot of sounds in this one.
There's a lot of sounds in the underground.
It's the sound of the underground, Joe.
What's that? So this is the sound of the underground, or what is the sound of the underground?
I don't know.
They're talking London Underground?
That could be. Sounds of the Tube.
Yeah, isn't that a train?
I think they mean underground music, but aren't they a pop group?
Well, I know.
Maybe they're bringing the underground into the mainstream, Joe.
Well, Mike.
Girls Aloud's doing it.
If you're a pop group, doesn't mean you can't be cool.
This is true.
I would love to be in a pop group and be cool at the same time.
Well, are you only cool if you're underground? I would argue that most pop stars are pretty cool, Joe.
I don't know.
As far as like what normal people think is cool.
Normal? I'm
not normal.
Whoa.
I'm underground.
You're dropping normal bombs.
I have an underground YouTube channel with my brother.
This guitar though, they're kind of doing that. Yeah, that kind of like surfers. Yeah, that 1960s surfers guitar.
I want to know what song came first. Obviously the 60s song came first, but the Black Eyed Peas remix of that one or this one?
Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean, this is just using that guitar tone though. It's from 2010. It says here. If that's when it came out,
it came out in 2010.
Yeah, the video looks great.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Well,
celebrate 20 years since the release of the Girls Aloud's second album. So,
wait, you think this came out in 1990?
No way. Absolutely not. I'm thinking.
Wait, did he put it on the list? No, he didn't. Okay.
Peter John, come on, put your dates in. You know us.
All right, let's see. Sound of the Underground. Sound of the Underground album. No, that 20-year thing was released, was put on there in 2023.
So 2003. Okay, that makes a lot more sense in my mind. Here we go.
This video looks really nice, though.
It does.
It seemed too recent, but this is a great shot. The lighting and the camera works.
Yeah, those Marshall stacks behind them look sick.
I love a Marshall stack.
Joe, that could be us in the band.
It's a sound I, it's a sound I, it's a sound I, it's a sound I. It's a sound of the underground. Beat of the drum goes round and around into the overflow. Where the girls get down to the sound of the radio, out to the electric night. Where the bass line jumps in the backstreet light. The beat goes around and round. It's the sound of the sound of the underground. It's the sound of the sound of the underground. It's the sound of the sound of the underground.
Yeah, like that song started growing on me as it went on.
I love the guitar.
I just gotta love I kind of love that like racing through feeling. And then they kind of,
We're really in motion in that one.
and you know what? Their dance moves are pretty subtle.
Wait, Joe, who's that?
Sugar Babes.
Babes? Who the hell is Sugar Babes? Sorry.
Their dance moves are a little subtle, but I really like them.
With the little shake hit.
Yeah, even that.
It's the sound of the sound of the underground.
See, look at them go. They're zipping through.
Sound of the underground.
Man.
You bring up a great point, Joe. You know what this video needs?
Train.
A train, perhaps a train in motion. Yes, that could be good. But I was thinking someone on like a dirt bike ripping through a city.
Ooh.
Shots of them turning corners, blowing through red lights,
I could use more wind.
ramping up over a garbage truck, over the red light to get over traffic.
And then going down the stairs into the underground and riding right into a train.
Are we just kind of describing more and more the Black Eyed Peas music video? Is
I
there
don't
a lot
think
of vehicles
so.
in that one?
Yeah, there were. But, and then also I like how the guitar pans.
It's nice. I've never really considered that tone, that guitar tone. It's so specific.
It is.
And it's really cool. It's almost like rubber bandy. Like it sounds like the strings are so loose.
Yeah, it's almost like, almost feels bassy
Yeah.
without the deep. It's like only the slapping part.
Yeah.
It's like a snappy
Right.
bass.
That's cool. That's fun.
I thought it was pretty fun.
I like Girls Aloud. I'm still learning who they are because they have different hairstyles in some of them. And it's tough to be like, wait, which one's this?
Yeah, I don't know anything about the Girls Aloud.
It's really the long-haired ones that I'm still learning who's who.
Wait a minute.
What?
Hold on.
Did you get lied to by the internet?
No. Wait, was this in a movie?
Sounds of the underground. This song is a bit infectious. It worms your way in. It worms its way in.
Mm-hmm.
Like I feel like it's really kind of like. Well, like we said,
Mike, it's the debut single by British-Irish pop group Girls Aloud. So this is their debut single?
oh shit! All right,
This is the
some of them
beginning?
are Irish.
Critically appreciated for its juxtaposition of surf guitar against electronic beats.
All right,
I was correct about calling it surf guitar.
yeah, that's a good call. I would have not known that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Wipeout.
Yeah, so you got
So
Wipeout and the other one.
That's Californian,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Wow, California. Who knew?
There was a whole section on surf rock in my pop music history class.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah. Obviously, the Beach Boys are a big part of that, but a lot of those songs just kind of like quick tom drums, like.
I wonder if that's what it feels like to ride a surfboard through a tunnel.
Yeah, I think that's the feeling of surfing.
What do they call them?
Curls.
Don't know. Not a surfer.
Oh, barrels.
Barrels. There you go.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's one of five.
You're barreling or you're piping. Oh, there's a word for it.
Piping hot.
You're piping the wave.
You pipe the barrel. All right. Well, I'm excited. 4 more to go. We're going to learn a lot about the Girls Aloud this week.